Sounds called Random Man.
Alright, sige.
Hahanapin kita, saan man tayong mapunta, hindi mo kahit wala lang. O kaya biglang may reckless living, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. Oh, I just wanna do simple random things to say.
James Reid here on Acid Chill Out.
I have to thank Tyro and Yumi for that. It's my favorite song now.
Well, Tyro and Yumi, sila po, sa mga nagtatanong, sila po yung composers ng Ikot-Ikot. Kilometro, all those wonderful hits. Yung kina Sam, No Erase and Sam and Tippies. Daddy, syempre.
Most famous song.
Pero, at the same time, dapat din silang pasalamat sa'yo dahil you can pull off these songs over here. And gusto ko lang tanongin how do you prepare for an event, for, singing in front of a crowd? How do you do that?
How do I prepare? Actually, I've done...
Nag-abs ka lang? Or?
No, I've done
Vocalization.
I don't know, maybe 500 shows.
One day?
No.
Grabe yan! Pare, ha?
In my whole showbiz career, I've done so many, hundreds, but I get sick every time.
Kumaingay, nagre-record.
With that kind of a feel, with that kind of look, di ba? Matatakot ka ba?
Lahat. Parang wala sa issue na.
It's messy, but I feel good.
Just get this, so kahit wala kang gawin, folks, just let me do this. Tinigot ka lang. 3, 2, all we have to do is just stop that. 3, 2, 1. Nakakapikon!
Pag-turn pa lang.
Grabe, iba ang apik.
Stop. Magkano?
Yun ang madaya dun. Sarang malaking
Diba?
daya. You know that? Aware.
Okay. Also, meron kang pinapakaabangan sa'yo eh.
May dapat pa tayong abangan.
True. That movie called?
Para sa Hopeless Romantic.
Okay, tell us more about that one.
Also, Julia Brando.
Yeah, and it's
Nicolas Sparks.
What's the
Kamusta?
story about?
I
watched the trailer pala. So nice.
Thank you so much. It's a love story. It's about heartbreak. It's about everything.
Anong pinagkaiba dun sa previous nyo na movie?
This one's more realistic, more relatable. The other one was like gangster land.
Oo, tama. Ibang James Reid pa yung makikita namin dito.
My character's completely opposite. You talk back and you're dead, and I'm a bad boy.
Pari ka.
Boy next door.
Ay, hindi.
No.
Alam mo, just looking at this guy, nakaka-insecure. Alam mo, pare, huwag ka nang umirit, ha? I'll leave you with the girls.
Diary ng pangit. Tapos ngayon magkakateleserye na kayo sa ABS. Anong feeling?
It all happened so fast. It's not even 1 year yet in this area, so I'm so thankful. And also thankful to the team, thankful to Dreamscape, of course.
May mag-vlog ka ba? More shows. Yes, ka ba na pwede abangan?
We have the JD Fever Tour, so guys, you can catch us later at Venice Piazza, March 13 in Ayala, Cebu, March 14 SM Marilao, March 15 Arleta Center, so see you guys there. My present
Invite them.
is the launch of my album, Fever. Right here. Also, I have another one on Super Dance.
Super da. Oh, sasayaw ka. What kind of with?
Kim Chu, Encho, and also John Vance.
Kaabang-abang naman talaga yan. So, thank you, Kuya James Reid. Kuya! Thank you, baby James. Thank you, James. Kanya-kanyang endearment. Super complete yung stay namin tatlo. Thank you! Ay, thank you. Iba din. Thank you, Jay. Kalimutan, album, Read Alert. At dami nating abangan, album, movie, teleserye. Lahat na. All shows. Kaya thank you so much dahil binigyan mo kami ng time sa Chill Out. And marami pa tayong guests. Diyan lang yan, magbabalik ng Asap Chill Out.